Hi, I'm gonna make this very brief. I'm African and I really don't understand why most African people always have a tendency of avoiding who they are, what they are, where they belong, of practicing their traditional rituals, of being proud in speaking their own languages, of having their own real hair, of being proud of their skin tones. I think modernity and westernization has confused us as human beings. We don't know what is culture, what is tradition, what is religion. We are captured and hypnotized by westernization. Black people think that if they run away from their traditions and the rituals that they know they should perform in their tradition, that it will make them better, it will make them westernized, it will make them, I can't say white, but it will make them more recognized. For me, I have a problem with that. We are Africans, procedures. You have to pay lobola. When your husband is dead, there are certain things that you have to do. You know that there are rules, protocol that has to be followed. As an African living in Africa, you don't talk back to your parents. And I don't understand why we are running away from our beautiful culture, our languages, our traditional practices. We in a way want to be another race. That race doesn't even recognize us or even really understand, have knowledge about Africanity. If we are not proud about speaking to our ancestors, not proud about our hair, not proud about our skin color, not proud about our language, not proud about the food that we eat, if we are not proud about anything, who will be proud of it? That's why I am an advocate, I'm an activist for promoting Africanity, for loving us. If we don't love ourselves, who's